Hola, damas y caballeros. Welcome back to the table. Today we're going back to Spain. We're gonna be making a dish that's packed with flavor, a Spanish Fabada. And let's get to it. In the pork cheeks, we put them on a paper towel, and that is just for safety. When you're sauteing those, you are not splashing oil on yourself or any of that stuff. Then we're gonna season them with the salt and black pepper. Now we are going to go to the pan, and we're using wonderful flavor of a smoky picante olive oil. Let's sear these pork cheeks. We stir the beans for consistency on the cooking process. Oh, the smell is amazing. Then we're going to add the stock, Spanish paprika, now we are going to cut the dry cured sausage, and we want to make sure that we cut them a zigzag cut. The reason for that, it stays well in the stew and it holds better, and you feel like you're getting a good amount of meat as you're biting into it. Wow, it is so amazing. Those tender sausage, the nice buttery beans, the smell of the smoked paprika and the chili picante olive oil. This flavor is insane. Like to garnish this with the chopped Italian parsley, with the toasted baguette. And I decide that I will pair this amazing Spanish Fabada with our tempranillo that brings out the richness of flavor of the sausage, the pork cheeks, and the beans, and the amazing stew. And I cannot wait for you to try this amazing dish with friends and family. Salud.